So you guys have it. Today, we're going to hear the different sounds of a 1994 ZX11 with vance&Hines exhaust and 4-in-1, no catalytic converter, because they didn't have catalytic converters like 2003 or 4, 2, sometime like that anyway, on motorcycles anyway. We're going to hear the Street Glide 119 Stage 3 with catalytic converters. And vance&Hines slip-ons. Don't mind my flip-flops and ugly feet. And then we're going to hear the Stage 1 117 of the Lowrider ST with Bassani's 2-in-2. So at the end of the video, you guys tell us which one sounds better. And just as long as you say either the Kawasaki or the Street Glide 119 with the Stage 3, I'm happy, because that's Amy's bike. And I know it doesn't have catalytic converters, but shh, we're not going to tell her we put this in the video, okay? It's our secret. So here's what the 4-cylinder carbureted with no catalytic converter sound like. Sounds pretty impressive. And here's what the Street Glide with the 119 Stage 3 and slip-ons with the catalytic converter still installed sounds like. Now, the 117 Harley Davidson with the Bassani 2-in-2 catalytic converter lead. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe for more motorcycle content. And deuces.